Hello, how you doing? Welcome back. Today we're going to make a pepperoni pizza. As always with the pizzas, I'm only building them here. If you want to know how to make the dough and the sauce, I'm going to leave the recipes underneath in the text and they're going to pop up at the end. The dough that I make here is really easy. It's super easy, so please give it a go. That's about it. Let's get the dough ready. Okay, so we've got our dough in our tray. This is a 12-incher. And what I like to do now is add 3 tablespoons of sauce. I kind of think that's about right for me. I don't like too much sauce on there. I don't want to drown it. And like I say, the recipe for this sauce, which is an uncooked version. There's no cooking in this. It's just a can of tomatoes with a few bits in it. Very simple. That video is going to pop up at the end. And on this one I'm going to use some block mozzarella cheese. Get that around. Very simple this one. I'm just going to go with pepperoni and some pickled jalapeno, which I think works really nicely on this. Bit there and a bit there, that's great. And I've got some sliced pepperoni. Get that all around. And make sure your oven is on full blast right now, high heat. That looks great. I've got a jar of pickled jalapenos here cut already. I'm gonna get a few of them on. And that's it. If you want a bit of onion, bit of oregano, a few olives maybe. Well, that's gonna go in the oven. It's gonna be about 6 minutes in my oven. I'll see you when that comes out. Okay, there you go. That was in my oven for 6 minutes. Absolutely wonderful. It's got a little bit of fresh basil here, which I'm just going to put on the top. Wonderful. Yeah, play around with it. Like I say, if you want to put some olives on it or some chili flakes or something like that, you're most welcome, aren't you? That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.